We have the rear axle here all built and done out. Looks awful sharp, especially this rear full floater. The detail on the bolts are excellent. And over here we have the e-brake pivot, which also looks sharp. E-brake in the back. And if I walk over here, we're working on the front. Doing the new wiper seals. Obviously the third member's in. Cleanup occurs on the rest of it, and the spindles and the hubs. Backing plates. Steering arms, things of that nature. So this will allow us to get the axles done and get to putting them underneath the frame.